everyone. We are here at InterSolar 2025 and we are having Mr. Raj Bhalala, Managing Director, Krivi Energy with us. Let's start this conversation knowing more about this company.
Hi. So Krivi Energy was formed in 2013, and since last 11 years, we have been dealing and supplying solar cells, aluminum frames, solar glass to various solar panel manufacturers across India, Wari, Goldi, Kosol, Solex, and few other players. And now, where we saw that the demand side of India, which is increasing tremendously, and we saw a gap that in this demand, with our expertise of last 11 years of procuring raw materials, we should get into manufacturing. So this is the right time where we thought of getting into manufacturing, and so we're setting up a factory uh, of 400 megawatts in Baroda, and coming up with TOPCon and monoPERC panels.
So, would like to know more about your expansion plans, specifically for 2025.
So in 2025, right now, apart from 400 megawatts, by end of December 2025, we are planning to have another 600 megawatts coming up. So which will take us to a total capacity of 1 gigawatt of panel manufacturing.
Other than that, we have just seen that government announced budget 2025. So, what are your views on that?
So in budget 2025, nothing major changes happened in solar sector as of yet. But in the all previous budgets, there were lot many benefits were given to the solar sector, because of which we see such a huge demand. And the PM Surya Ghar Yojana and PM Kusum schemes and everything, which generates lot of orders in the system because of those schemes, government schemes happening. So that gives lot of boost to our sector.
How Krivi Energy is supporting government schemes?
So Krivi Energy has made two panels, two products, which we say in TOPCon we have made G12R, which supports the huge mega scale projects where your other supplies like DC cables, AC cables, and other supplies, which reduces to a lot lower level in compared to if you're using other panels. So that helps you to save money and also save on maintenance costs. And apart from that, the monoPERC panels that we have made, which are DCR monoPERC, so that is used in the DCR market in PM Kusum scheme or PM Surya Ghar Yojana. So that helps in that area of orders. Yeah.
And that we all know that Krivi Energy is in India only. Apart from India, where your market is all over the world.
So right now we are thoroughly focused in India. We have not been looking any other market apart from India, because there's a huge demand and supply gap in India. There's a huge demand in India, and right now modules are not so easily available. Every supplier has huge orders, and that's where, and still the demand is increasing in India, and so we have focused with the capacity of only 400 megawatts. We see that for that we don't have to go somewhere else. Yeah.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.